No studio, no script, just strategy, geopolitics, and security, one conversation at a time. This is Strategic Drive.
Assalamualaikum, Ahmed, क्या हाल है?
Walaikum Assalam, Faraz, how are you?
I'm good. How was your day?
It was nice. We went to Manal. I was with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
Our,
lunch there. It was
official
nice
lunch.
view. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was work/lunch.
Precisely. Acha, Ahmed, I got you in my car today because we wanted to start something different at Straf Asia. There's a lot of podcasts out in the market, in the Pakistani market,
Yeah.
and it's all the same,
Yeah.
It's all the same in the sense, and we also have a more formal podcast series as well. I mean, it's a studio / a desk based format.
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो इतना I mean it has a particular audience, right?
Yes.
And this is a separate audience.
Yes.
Our goal or the conception behind this is कि when we're trying to create conversations, it needs to be more reachable.
True.
It shouldn't be very desk based. It shouldn't be very lecture based, and we've learned that from our experience in academia.
Yeah.
But the audience connect नहीं कर पाता.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
And if the goal is to get people to hear what you're saying, I think it needs to be adjusted
True.
as per the audience consumes that content. So that was the fundamental idea behind this thing. कि something shorter, something more casual, something on the go. कि
Yeah.
audience इससे connect कर पाए.
और जो सबसे जरूरी बात है, जिस तरह आपने कहा, we both teach, right? और अगर आपका स्टूडेंट को आपकी बात समझ नहीं आ रही, no matter how fancy jargon word you are using or how
हाँ.
much you have read, it does not matter.
बिल्कुल.
As long as आपका स्टूडेंट फॉलो कर रहा है ना, आप उसे पंजाबी में भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप उसे उर्दू में भी बता रहे हैं, does not matter.
लेकिन वो सीख रहा है.
सीख रहा है.
That's the actual goal.
Yes.
ना? We get bogged down. मतलब हम दिमाग में एक चीज बिठा लेते हैं कि जब तक इंग्लिश में बहुत सारी स्लाइडों के साथ बहुत सारी फैंसीफुल इक्विपमेंट और लाइक डेकोर के साथ जब तक बात नहीं होगी तो इट्स नॉट द सेम बिकॉज़ वी आर ट्राइंग टू कॉपी द फॉर्मेट्स दैट वर देयर बिफोर कि जिन्होंने पहले पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया.
पीछे बुक्स रखी हो ताकि पता चले कि आई एम वेल रेड.
But I don't think audience is connecting with that.
I don't think it matters. I think what matters is आपका कंटेंट किस तरह का है और आप कन्वे किस तरह कर रहे हो. Everything else, I mean, this is essentially your drive to your home back is essentially where you talk to yourself, where you talk to your friends, where you connect to people. ठीक है. और टाइम जाया होता है. I mean, the conversation that we have in a studio in front of a mic are the same conversation we generally have in our offices.
हाँ.
At the lunch.
But हम तो उसको कैमरा के सामने
नहीं कर रहे होते. बस ये है कि हम ऑफिस में बैठ के, लंच पे बैठ के, गाड़ियों में बैठ के वही बात कर रहे हैं. और जब हमारी बात ही सेम है तो फिर it does not matter कि हमारी स्पेस किस तरह की है जिसके अंदर हमें कर.
Exactly.
और ये जो जार्गन की थोड़ी सी बात है ना जो आपने की है, या फिर जो सारा दिखाना कि इस माहौल में हम स्ट्रेटेजिक स्टडीज की बात,
the cosmetics of it all.
Yes, absolutely. वो सारी ऑप्टिक्स इंटेंशनल भी होती हैं कभी-कभी, because people try to build a gap between I am a scholar and
Right.
you are a layman. वो वाला जो गैप है ना, वो which I think should not be there at all in any subject, particularly strategic studies, because security matters to every human being.
I'm usually much more skeptical, but like I'm thinking of it in this way कि उस तरह के सेटअप की भी एक ऑडियंस है, right? The higher scholars, the practitioners,
Yes.
The working people above age 50. वो एक ऑडियंस है, एंड वो वाली कंटेंट भी, वो चीजें भी on the matters of security and strategic affairs वो होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही है.
But that is a very specific audience, and it's not a large audience base, to be very honest. The larger audience base is the younger generation, basically हमारे our students, that demographic, and वो demographic, I think there's a disconnect. So, एक तो वो चीज कि वो आप में there shouldn't be an ego attached to thinking and conversations and intellect. वो तो मतलब philosophically ही होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. That is sort of a separate debate.
Yeah.
लेकिन but then also कि अगर if we realize and we have realized over the course of teaching कि there is a disconnect, so then our job as researchers and or educators is कि हमने वो disconnect fill करना है, क्योंकि the ultimate aim is to convey your message to the people.
True.
And if you're seeing कि वो message convey नहीं हो रहा, कहीं पे miss आ रही है, तो फिर then उसको सीधा करना भी बड़ा जरूरी है. And alright, Ahmed, I think we'll call this conversation a close. But this was the intro. हाँ, हम
This will be unhinged. Yeah.
हम tangents पे चले गए, but that is the purpose of this type of thing. कि it shouldn't be too structured, it shouldn't be too stereotypical. वही same old चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. And I think you'll see that in the camera's framing as well. And shakiness भी होगी, but it's supposed to be a not single frame static type thing.
Monotonous video.
तो this will be more casual, this will be more conversational. कुछ चीजें टॉपिकल उस पे होंगी. IR सिक्योरिटी और स्ट्रेटेजी का एरिया ऐसा है कि रोज कुछ हो रहा है. वो भी डिस्कस होंगे हर दफा. It may not be me, there may be a different guest. I think I'll probably still be the one driving, but the guests may change. So there's that. With that, Allah Hafiz, Khuda Hafiz, good night, good evening.
Thank you very much. Also, if like anyone want to suggest a topic, they can comment. We can do that too. Yeah.
Definitely. That's actually a very good idea.
Yeah.
So that we can consider that. Till then, see you all.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye.
Bye.
And log bhi different.
That's the drive for today. New conversations every week, only on Strategic Drive from Strafasia, Pakistan.